Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to log into Pika Art. So guys, go to Google and search for Pika Art, as you can see here, and click the first one, result, and after that with the loading page. And as you can see here guys, what you can do, for example, this is my account. I want to log in. You have this option and you will write login. You have email and Discord and Facebook and your email. If you want to log in with Gmail, write here your Gmail. And if you want to log in with Facebook, write Facebook. And if you want to log into Discord, onto your Discord. For example, I want to log in with Gmail Google account. Click Google and click your best Gmail, as you can see here. After that, wait to loading this page and wait, and I log in successfully with my account. This is dashboard, as you can see here guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys, and keep watching.